A+ have been providing clients with innovative, non-destructive testing, inspection, and access solutions for over 75 years. Our customer-focused approach to problem-solving has produced some of the best NDT methods in the global oil, gas, and energy asset integrity markets. We now believe we can provide a world-beating solution to the problems of accessing sphere internals safely and efficiently via our HEX system. The HEX system has been designed as a multi-face access platform to be used in conjunction with industrial rope access methods. HEX offers the opportunity to reduce the time frame of the inspection, repair, and maintenance due to its simple and lightweight construction. The HEX system is delivered in a single 20-foot container for ease of location close to the sphere. Aluminium components are passed in modular sections through the sphere's top or bottom manways, so no craneage is required. The HEX system weighs less than 2 tons and uses a central rigging point to suspend the structure within the sphere with certified lifting equipment and an independently protected rope access system. The modular frame is then built up quickly and easily by trained and experienced technicians. The unique HEX design provides 360 degrees of unrestricted rotation, so there are no contact points or blind spots, just 100% accessibility. The engineered, designed, and tested structure provides up to 6 work platforms. Technicians can simultaneously work from these platforms and are supervised and controlled by a competent person at all times. The purpose-built HEX design improves the internal light conditions, reduces the risks associated with confined spaces, and allows ease of movement, which improves productivity. One added safety feature is the improved rescue capability using the HEX system in the event of an incident. The system's rapid construction and deconstruction time is normally between 3 and 4 days combined. This significantly reduces the length of time the vessel is out of service. The HEX system allows easy access in order to undertake all preparation, NDT inspection and repair activities such as surface preparation, magnetic particle or dye penetrant inspections, Toft or other specialist techniques, ultrasonic testing, welding or mechanical repairs, blasting and painting. In summary, the HEX lightweight design and narrow footprint, combined with the speed of the HEX installation and removal, means reduced risk, improved safety and productivity performance, and the return to service for the vessel in the shortest possible time frame.